Did you know Islam spread across 3 continents, without social media, TV, or internet? So how did people learn about it? Let's travel back in time. In 7th century Arabia, the message of Islam began in Makkah. The Prophet Muhammad shared faith through character, honesty, and wisdom. People didn't accept Islam because of force. They saw the truth, justice, and equality Muslims practiced, and hearts changed. Muslim merchants were like walking social media pages. Wherever they traveled, Africa, India, Indonesia, they shared Islam through fair trade, trust, and ethics. Institutions like Al-Qarawiyyin University and Bait-ul-Hikmah spread knowledge. Scholars wrote books, translated science, and inspired civilizations. Travelers like Ibn Battuta journeyed thousands of miles, sharing culture, knowledge, and Islam wherever they went. Empires like the Umayyads, Abbasids, and Ottomans built cities, hospitals, libraries, and roads. People respected Islamic governance for its safety, education, and justice. So how did Islam spread without technology? Through character, knowledge, trade, justice, traveling, and good conduct. That was the real power of connection. If you want more historical videos like this, then subscribe to Historical Dunya, where history comes alive.